In the age of face detection, app-controlled everything, digital currency, autonomous drivers, there are few who still appreciate the pencil, metal ruler, weathered rust, the grit, the fragrance of sawdust, and the time well spent. It's the craft. Craftsmanship was once handed down from those before us, but now it must be learned by the self-taught, self-motivated, and the disciplined. There's no Control-Z or undo keystroke here. It's the time spent learning from failed attempts which form the muscle memory into the crafted hand. Craftsmanship is the universal language wherever your travels take you. It's not always the highest income which draws us into the craft, but the discovery on how we can use our hands to build. We build furniture, houses, bridges, and more, and all for the sake of the higher learning into our craft. No two problems are constant in craftsmanship, just the thirst for discovery and the challenge. To all of those men and women craftsmen, headstrong into the challenge, because what you build today will last a lifetime and more.